Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use voice effects in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we have to select one that we want to work on. After we tap on this, it opens up the editing menu. Here we have to select the clip that we want to edit, and then in the bottom bar we have to scroll to the right and find the voice effects button. If we tap on this, it's going to load, and then we are presented with some voice effects that we can apply to the clip. Let's say we want a vinyl effect. We can set the strength of it, the noise of it, everything, and then after tapping OK, it's going to save it, and the clip is going to be applied with these effects. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.